Anil Nayar's way. Listen very carefully, sir. How many? Two examples I will take. How many natural numbers? How many natural numbers? How many natural numbers? Question 1. Less than or equivalent to 120. Less than or equivalent to 120 are divisible by, are first one divisible by 2, 3 and 5, are divisible by 2, 3, 5. Second one divisible by 2, 3 but not 5. Divisible by 2, 3 but not 5. 2, 3 but not 5. Third one not divisible by 2, 3, 5. Three examples we'll solve. Not divisible by 2, 3, 5. One more also we can solve. Divisible by 2, divisible by 2, divisible by 2, but not by 3, 5. But not by 3, 5. Very beautiful concept, sir. How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 120 are divisible by 2, 3, 5, are divisible by 2, 3 but not 5, not divisible by 2, 3, 5, divisible by 2 but not by 2, 3, 5. Listen carefully. Step number 1. 120. 120 as a power of prime numbers can be written as 8 into 3, 24. 24 into 5, 120. 120 it is 2 cube into 3 into 5. 120 it is 2 cube into 2, 3 into 5. See here. How to write down the answers orally. First one, how many are divisible by 2, 3, 5? Out of total 120 numbers, for every two consecutive numbers, you take any two consecutive numbers. 34, 35. 34 is divisible by 2. 18, 19. 18 is divisible by 2. 69, 70. 70 is divisible by 2. Out of every two numbers, one number will be divisible by 2. Next one, for any three consecutive numbers, you take any three consecutive numbers. 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. 12, 13, 14, 18, 19, 20. For every three numbers, one number will be divisible by 3. You take any two 5 consecutive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. One number will be divisible by 5. One number will be divisible by 5. So first one answer is 6 5s are 30, 34s are 120. 34s are 120. Answer for the first question is 4. Answer for the first question is 4. Sir, what will be the answer for the second, third and fourth? Same approach, sir. Out of 120 consecutive numbers, how many are divisible by 2? For every two numbers, one number it is divisible. For every three numbers, one number it is divisible, but not by 5. It should not be divisible by 5. For every 5 consecutive numbers, one number is divisible. How many are not divisible? Out of 5 numbers, one number it is divisible. How many are not divisible? 4. So 6 5s are 30, 34s are 120, 4 4s are 16. Second one answer is 16. Second one answer is 16. Not divisible by 2, 3, 5. It should not be divisible by 2, 3 and 5. For every 120 consecutive numbers, for every two numbers, one number it is divisible. How many are not divisible? 1. For every three consecutive numbers, one number divisible. How many are not divisible? 2. For every 5 consecutive numbers, one number it is divisible. How many are not divisible? 5. 34s are 4 into 2, 8, 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Answer for this question is 32. Simple complementary method, sir. Divisible by 2 but not by 3 and 5. Out of every 120 consecutive numbers, for every two consecutive numbers, one number it is divisible, but not means negation. For every three consecutive numbers, one number is divisible. How many are not divisible? 2 by 5. For every 5 consecutive numbers, one number it is divisible. How many are not divisible? 4. So 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 4s are 120, 4 into 8. Fourth one answer is 32. Fourth one answer is 32. I hope the idea it is clear. So if it is 3 prime numbers, will you do 3 Venn diagrams? 4 prime numbers, will you do 4 Venn diagrams? That's a stupid way of solving the question. This is a Totient approach, sir. Very famously called as Totient function. Totient approach of solving this kind of questions. Totient approach of solving this kind of questions. Totient approach of solving this kind of questions. I hope the idea it is clear. For every 2 consecutive, one number it is divisible. For every 3 consecutive, one it is divisible. For every 5 consecutive, one it is divisible. Out of 3 numbers, if one number it is divisible, how many are not divisible? Remaining 2. How many are not divisible? Remaining 2. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Let us solve the second question, which is the given question. What is the question? How many numbers are there from 500 to 650? 500 to 650. Totally how many numbers we got? 151 numbers. 151 numbers. 151 numbers we got. Right? What is the question, sir? Neither divisible by 3. Out of 151 numbers, one number will be divisible. How many are not divisible? 2. Next one, neither divisible by 7. Neither divisible by 7 means out of 7 numbers, one number it is divisible. One number it is divisible. I hope the idea it is clear. This will give an approximate answer. Why? Because this number is not divisible by denominator. That means, right, if you see 120 is divisible by 235. 21 7s are 147. 21 7s are 147. 7 2s are 14. 14 6s are 84. Answer should be closer to 84. Answer should be closer to 84. We took the number 120 and we took the numbers which are all factors of 120. We got the total numbers 151, but the question it is given as 3 and 7. 7 is not a factor of 151, 3 is not. So we will get an approximate value. Answer should be around 84. Stupid answer options are there. Only one option is very close to 84. One option is very close to 84. I hope the idea it is clear.